Here we go again with another GT500 vlog. I'm at a local park. Just took a couple photo shoots for Instagram. Well, maybe I shouldn't call them shoots. I just took a couple pictures. I'm not a professional, but I took them for the Instagram page. If you're not following that already, go check it out on Automotive Antics _ you'll get some information there that you won't get on YouTube, or maybe I'll just release early YouTube information on Instagram. Either way, doesn't matter. Go check it out. So we got a couple things to cover today. We're going to go cover the BMR lower control arm review, everything I've been experiencing since I put them on, and we also have to go get an oil change on this thing. I've been putting a lot of miles on it. It's due for an oil change. We need to go do that. So let's just go hop in the car and get that done first. And I know I pointed this out in the last video, but I realized after I uploaded it was dark. So maybe now you can actually see the shift ball that I installed. It's pretty cool. You know, it's got the Shelby logo on the side, GT500, and it's pretty cool. The sun makes it look orange, but it's actually really dark red. But it's cool. I got the little adapter, the locking nut, I guess you want to call it, whatever this thing you want to call it is, lock nut. But I actually, like I said, I cut the handle itself down, and I actually cut a little bit off the lock nut to make it shorter, and it actually made a huge difference. You can see the throws are pretty short, and the weighted ball feels great. Just thought I'd touch on that again, now that you can actually see it. One more thing I want to show you too. I'm having the typical S197 problems with the door panel peeling. Gonna have to address that. S197 life. It is a gorgeous day. Stroll through the park. It's warm, but not too warm because the humidity's gone. It doesn't make you feel all sticky and yucky, which has really been the case around here in central Pennsylvania lately. Hopefully the weather has been a little nicer where you live. It's either been very humid or very rainy around here. What is going on? I was supposed to get an oil change, but for some reason I'm at a Dodge dealership. What the? So I know a Dodge dealership is really not the most normal place you would take a Shelby GT500 to go get an oil change, but we are at Stellar Dodge Ram Jeep Chrysler here in New York. You know, I love coming here. I've always came here. They got an awesome performance line. They have an off-road shop as well as a performance shop. You can see a whole bunch of their stuff in here. I'm not going to be walking into their bay just yet. As you can see, they got a performance wall over there, all kind of aftermarket, you know, performance and off-road tires. And we're going to go in and check out the Shelby. Once it's up on the lift, they say we can get a picture of the undercarriage. We'll take a look at that, the control arms and everything else. But you know, again, it is a Dodge dealership, but they're also a performance shop, so I trust these guys 100%. And well, my cousin works here, so that's a bonus. Dodge, Challenger, Shelby. We need a good look at the controls. Look at those pretty things. Ah, collected a lot of dirt in a matter of a couple miles. Wow. That next plate off there. So did you do the sway bars? No, they're stock. Oh wow. Yeah, it's all the stock stickers and stuff. Wow. Pretty cool. How many times can you read the sticker on the different diff? Yeah, that's where you want to take a picture and shit now. Yeah. So then the relocation brackets will drop this down. That'll all be powder coated red, so you'll see this. Yeah. And that comes in. So even the stickers on the struts are showing. I know. You got the ones up there on the fuel. Is that the fuel one? Is that? Yep. There. Got stickers everywhere still. They'll come in. We'll take care of that H plate. Rip that thing off. Oh yeah. Get rid of those cats. Looks like it might be a pain in the butt to get to. Well, no, that's not too bad. It's pretty easy to get to. Not too bad. Huh? Nice and clean. Yeah. So what you said, it was like 7 quarts? 6.5. 6.5 for us?
6.5, yeah. And they didn't make it anyway. Somebody else made it for them.
Yeah, they just put their name on it.
Yeah.
Looks like anything else, I mean.
I want to say Castrol sells it Ford. Or Pennzoil, Chevy is Mobile.
Yeah, 5W is 50, synthetic. So, take the GT500 all fixed up. Like I said, we're in the midst of a couple other Dodges. We got the Scat Pack over here, and a performance shop. So we got the bunch of performance guys, a bunch of gearheads taking care of it. Again, my cousin works for them, so I mean, I trust them. I got no complaints about any of the work they do, so it's all good. All right, oil changes done. Thank you, Stettler Performance or Stettler Dodge Jeep Ram Chrysler. Whoa, bumpy roads. For the oil change, they are awesome. But then again, if you're not new to the channel, you've been here a while, you already know I'm a big fan of theirs because, well, they're a bunch of gearheads, and they, you know, they know cars, they love cars, and they don't just work on Dodges. But now we're all set for the supercar cruise. Yes, I'm dropping you a little bit of hint. Couple days, supercar cruise coming up. You want to keep an eye out for that video. But let's talk about the BMR lower control arms right now. I've had them on for a little over a week, and there are a few things to talk about. Yes, the handling is amazing. It's a lot better. It's a lot more stable at high speeds. The wheel hop is completely gone. There's none left to talk about. So all that said, absolutely amazing product. Wouldn't hesitate to do it again. But that's not to say there aren't some downfalls. They are a little noisy. You're going to get a little bit of NVH with the new control arms, especially with the polyurethane bushings. They are a little bit noisier. The noise vibrates through the control arm, through the cabin, and you do get a little bit more noise. Nothing is wrong with the car. You just happen to hear it a little bit more. And then when you're driving down the road, more so at highway speeds, I'm saying a little bit in 5th gear and probably more so in 6th gear, right around 2,000 RPMs, you're going to get a little bit of humming out of the, it's going to sound like the rear end, coming from like the differential area. So you are going to get a little NVH, a little bit of whine, a little bit of noise that goes along with it, again, because everything's vibrating and through the control arm and the polyurethane bushings and things like that. So they're not exactly quiet. Is it like going to deter me? Would I do it again? Absolutely, 100% I would do it again. It's still worth the investment. It's just, you know, a little bit of noise to deal with. It's not loud or obnoxious, but, you know, you get a little bit of a hum on the highway. That's about it. No big deal. See, right now we're at about 70 miles an hour, 2,000 RPMs. This is about where the NVH is the loudest. I don't even know that you can pick that up, but I can even barely hear it. It almost sounds like the supercharger whining, but it's not. So that's my 2 cents on the BMR lower control arms. Definitely worth it. I don't care if you have a problem with NVH or not. Definitely worth the upgrade. Definitely putting the windsock to its test today because it's a little windy out here. But, you know, now we have a few more things lined up for the GT500. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we got some big things in the plans for this. I'll give you a little hint. Some things to come. I don't like the way it sits. This has got to go. We got way too much like wheel all gap in here and in there. It's no bueno. Not going to work. Not to mention we got a supercar cruise coming up this coming weekend. Definitely going to be filming that. A lot of crazy exotic cars. And we're going to have the GT500 right in the middle of it. So that's going to be a fun time. And again, go follow on Instagram at Automotive Antics _. You're going to find some stuff on that page that you're not going to find here on the YouTube channel. And you will find some stuff out there before it hits the YouTube channel. So definitely follow that. Go hit that subscribe button so you know every time anything drops. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. And I'll catch you on the next upload.